trusted TV news network.
You guys hear what is right now live on the ground
Right now, coming down the Weather Channel.
A heat advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 88 degrees under fair skies. Tonight, mostly clear, low 73, winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy, high 92, winds south-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy skies, low 73. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Right now, we have got 6 tornado warnings here for much of the Chicago metro area, 5 of which are producing concern of tornadoes. Let's start with the ones near Chicago, because just north of downtown, you're included in that tornado warning. We're less than 10 miles out. O'Hare now seeing the worst of the winds. The warnings down here because of little kinks, so enhanced winds that could be spiraling and lowering those stronger wind speed down to the ground. Some way of bringing that stronger wind aloft down to the surface. That's what we've been seeing here in and around just north of Chicago. So that's what we're looking at. This includes displanes over towards Evanston. Get to your safe place immediately. We're looking live outside of Chicago too, and we're looking off towards the west, trying to see if there's any indication of maybe a wall cloud or a shelf cloud or even a tornado or funnel from our vantage point. It's hard to see right now with the buildings kind of taking up much of the horizon, but that is the direction these storms are coming from, and that is where these tornado warnings are. Timing this out, we're expecting an arrival here of some of the strongest winds and perhaps a tornado near Des Plaines, Illinois, just north of Chicago. That's about 3:52 p.m., so we're talking the next couple of minutes. And instead, we've got about less than 10 minutes or so, and then Chicago, just north of downtown.
Hey, Charles.
Expecting an arrival there, some of the strongest winds.
You get a chance, look on your bed.
The southern part of this, and you've got a whole other area outlined that may even get extended off towards the east. If that were the case, then that would be off towards Chicago. So there's a look. Notice the skies here in Chicago too. They're switching the camera around. We're not controlling this, by the way, just so you know. But we're seeing those much darker skies now that it's within 10 miles away. So what you're going to experience here is what we've been seeing time and time again. An extended duration of very dangerous and strong winds. Look at how towering these thunderstorms are as they approach. I mean, goodness.
Weather Service in the USA has issued a colorful tornado warning for the USA. Until the world ends. Weather Service in the USA has issued a colorful tornado warning for the USA. Until the world ends. When the world began, Caithness indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was very large and colorblind. Hazard. Colorful lightning and colorful tornadoes. Source. Caithness confirmed colored light thunderstorms. Impact. Deal with a color threatening situation. Color blindness will be dangerous to those caught without shelters. mobile homes will turn into actual rainbows. Homes, businesses, and vehicles will become a rainbow mess, and complete destruction will be possible. The colorful tornado will be near the USA now. If you are in the path of the colorful tornado, take cover now. A colorful tornado warning means that severe thunderstorms are producing colorful lightning and colorful tornadoes. The safest place to be in a colorful tornado warning is in a black and white basement. One, how about hiding in an old cartoon? It will do the trick. A colorful tornado watcher means to be kept so the entire universe will tell the universe.
In the atmosphere, so likely 60-mile-per-hour winds, potentially even stronger, especially in that notch there, moving right into the